Worship with us at Champions Royal Assembly and experience a life transforming service. In Champions, we are happy people. In Champions, we are word-based people. In Champions, we are people of praise. And we are a prayer generation. Visit us at our international headquarters at number 1 Ikolaba Street behind Deeper Life Biazin, Kubwa, Abuja, Nigeria. Or contact us on the following numbers: +234 814 943 9447 or +234 807 213 3004. You can visit our website at www.championsroyalassembly.com. Come and experience power.